Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of DHgate. You will go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about the application of DHgate like this. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.